How to subscribe Filto Premium? Want to unlock all the cool feature in Filto? Let's subscribe to Filto Premium. Open the Filto app. You will see Premium or Upgrade or Pro at the top right corner. You will see subscription options. Choose monthly, yearly, weekly. Complete the payment using your preferred method, Apple ID, Google Play, or cards. Once successful, you will see premium features like exclusive filters, effects, templates, and watermark removal unlock in your editor. And try out all the premium effects on a test video first. It's super fun and help you find your favorite tools. And that's it. You are now a Filto Premium user and create a next level edit. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Catch you in the next one.